Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my food diary, which is a B6 size traveler's notebook from the Walmart Pen and Gear line. These were available in the 2019 back to school seasonal section at Walmart. So I'm not sure if they still have them. Some stores do, some stores don't. But I am using a Dollar Tree planner in here, and I have not been keeping up with this like I should be, but I'm going to dive back in and try to keep going through the rest of the year as best as I can. So I'm going to be planning the week of, this is getting kind of thick on that side. I'm going to be planning the week of the 6th through the 12th of July. So let's get started. I pulled out this sticker, and even though she's eating red, white, and blue ice cream cone, I thought it was kind of summery, and I've shied away from using this because these aren't typical colors that I like to use in my spreads, so I decided to challenge myself this week. I pulled out these washies to work with, and as you can see here, I did some sampling down at the bottom just to see how they look next to the doll. And I've got some Happy Planner sticker books out. Again, these colors are unusual for me, but I'm going to play around and see what I can come up with. So I'm going to be using Color Story, which is by the Happy Planner, and I'm going to be using this sticker as a header sticker, I think. And then I'll play off of that. Go ahead and white out. Okay. So I'm going to do like I've done in previous spreads and kind of use this as washi tape. So I'm just folding it in half. And again, this is probably a sticker that I never ordinarily would use. So, and then I'm just gonna cut it. That's not a very clean cut. And gonna line it up closer to the top in case I want to come back with some washi tape, because I don't think I have any flowers or anything that will work with this. Okay, so that's a start. Then I have this that I very seldom use, but it does have a bunch of pineapples in here, and I was thinking that I could use the pineapples as deco around the top. I don't know how that's gonna work, but let's see. I think I can. I think I can. Let's go ahead and lay down some washi. Which one do I want to use? And this washi is pretty old, but hopefully it's not dry rotted or anything like that. This is some of the first washi tape that I bought when I started doing decorative planning and didn't really know what I was doing. There we have our pineapples. This is so not me, but we're gonna roll with it. I wish I had some kind of quote to put up there. I'm just going to leave those there for now, just to see how I like it as I progress with the spread. So now let's do our days of the week and see how that's going to look. I'm just going to try this tape. I'm not sure this is going to look good because the gray is going to show through, but it might be okay. Let's see. I think that's going to be all right. Let's go and put down a doll. I'm going to use the big one. And her hair is going to overlap. Do we want to put her here? I rarely put the dolls on the side like this in this planner, so I think I'm going to do it this way this time. Even though we got two girls on one side of the paper, but I guess I could switch these. Couldn't I? Since they're not really stuck down. Okay, now let's see, I kind of want to use this sparkly blue, even though I'm not using it anywhere else on the spread. I guess I could kind of incorporate it in a few other places. Let's go ahead and use it down here at the bottom. And hope that it sticks. It's not very sticky, icky. I think this tape came from Target back in the day, and it is not the best. I'm not even gonna fight with it. Let's just go on and put a little glue stick on there to help it decide to stick. Ooh. Same over here. Okay, let's see. Some glue on these bad boys. They're not sticking. Okay, for my days and dates, I'm going to use this sticker sheet from Crafting by the Pound. I'm not going to use the pink. I'm just going to use the plain white and see how that works. I think this is the last sheet that I have that still has the plain white on it though, unfortunately. But let's see. Now, I was going to use these numbers, but y'all know I want to use my big numbers. Hopefully they will work. Let's see. Here's the problem. Do it like that. I feel like I need a little something more, so I'm going to go through my colorful boxes and see what I can find to add to the days. These are perfect. Yes, let me see what else I got before I start picking. Oh, it's up and down. It's got lines on it. So let's see if we can possibly put that there. This is exactly that color. So I'm going to use it here. Okay, so I think I did a little bit more than I normally would do in the Dollar Tree planner, and I'm still having issues with some of these stickers sticking down for whatever reason, but I guess I can hit them with glue stick later if they still don't want to cooperate once they've been in here for a while. So we've already hit past the center, the middle of the year. And let's pop this back in, see what we're working with. I put so many stickers in washi that my page has curled a little bit, and I'm just gonna curl it back like so and put my little bow over the top to help hold the page down. And so that is it for this spread. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. I enjoy using a bunch of stickers. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!